Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am so sorry. It took me a while, a couple of months actually. I did post a video if you wanted me to make a tutorial on how to crochet this beautiful design. I do not have a written pattern, and I'm sure there is someone who is selling the written pattern. I am just going to do the way I do it. So this is going to be my version, and I am sorry I'm not copying anyone else's work. I am just crocheting this design, which I fell in love with it. It looks like a crocodile stitch. That's what I thought at the beginning. And yes, it is the version of a crocodile stitch, which we do double crochets, we make chain, and then we continue making these designs. So it is like a crocodile stitch, and we do have bobble stitches in between. It's not a puff stitch, it's a bobble stitch, which you crochet and then you join with the last crochet at the beginning with the crochet. So yeah, I just want to point out this is my version, and I don't have a written pattern, so I would advise you, if you want a written pattern, search for it. I don't know what this is called. I thought I knew it, but I don't. And there are so many people who is doing this this tutorial in different languages, so I thought I would make my own. And I did share it with you, and then I did get lots of comments asking. It was over 200 people ask. I don't know if they're my subscribers, but they were asking for me to do the tutorial, so I am doing it. So you need lots of yarn. Yes, I think I use, I don't know, 5 Lion Brand bandana for this. I can't remember exactly. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this. I tried to find a yarn if I need more. First, I did hoard it. I think I have 12, but if I need more, because I am planning to make a cardigan and put this design on the back. So stay tuned. When I get a custom order, I do apologize. That kind of lays me back, and that's why I am behind. So I had to crochet the rooster curtain, and that took me 2 months. So this is the yarn that I'm going to use. It says it's a 4-weight, but it feels like a 3-weight. And it has weird colors, but the end result is fantastic. I already made a hat, and it's so squishy. So yeah, let me show you the hat so you can get the idea of how it looks. But I had to use 2 strands. And there's lots of yarn in this ball. Just to give you an idea. So this is crocheted, and I did a tutorial. So I used the beginning of the yarn and at the inside of the yarn, and this is how it turned out. So it's nice and squishy. It's not super soft. I haven't washed it, so I have no clue. But yeah, it's like 3 something Canadian. And so I'm going to start the tutorial. It's called Mainstays. It's acrylic yarn. It says it's a 4-weight. Like I said, it's more like a 3-weight. And it's 141 gram. And it's asking you to use a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm going to use a 4.5, and we'll go, if it's too tight, I will go up. The more I crochet, I will change it to a 5, and then the 5.5, and we'll see. But for me, it's too much. Okay, so randomly, I'm just going to pull it from the inside. Unfortunately, they don't have a inside out. Yeah. I don't want to do it from the outside, then it rolls all around. Okay, so grab the yarn that you have, and then we'll see how many I am going to be using. I didn't count on this one, so but I think it was about 5. Here it is. Came out easily. So we're going to start with the orange. Okay, so we're going to chain 4. Just move these away so this won't focus. I don't know if I did this technique. I can't remember, but I will show it to you here. So the 4.5mm crochet hook, and we'll see how it's going to work. Okay. So the beginning is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come here to this one right there, and then we're going to make double crochets. So 12 double crochets. So 1, well, including this one as well. Right in the middle, see? These are double crochets, and I am going to include that chain. So total of 12 right here. If you want to count, you want to put a marker. Let me just grab a marker and something blue. Let's put a blue marker there, because it's really hard to see with this. I saw this from a local lady here in Edmonton. She was working on this, and I fell in love with it. Okay. So, let's count. 2, 4, 5. See, I'm not doing the magic loop. I'm doing this technique. 3, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 'Sorry about that. Unfortunately, I can't pause the video. I had to look at something else. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. We have a total of 12. So we're going to join right here with a slip stitch. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to do single crochets in each double crochet. So we're going to have a total of 24 single crochets. Okay. So I'm not counting this one. I'm just going to come here where the double crochet is, and I'm going to make a total of 2 single crochets. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is going to move the marker where I did the single crochet. I don't know how long this video is going to take, so please bear with me. Then I'm going to go to the next one. 2 single crochets, 4, 2 here, 6, 2 here, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 20. Okay, I'm missing something. What did I do? Oh, I thought I had 12 by it, but I only have 10. If you count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, that's why. Sorry. So we're gonna go and fix that. I wish I can pause it, but I can't. So there's 10. 11 and then 12. Then make a slip stitch, 2, 4, 'So I will meet you on row 3. Let me just finish this and I'll be right back.